good?
Up.
Up. Good to go.
I don't have to pull that back?
Pull it back.
Yeah.
Makes it go a little... The trigger pulls pretty weird on that pistol, so...
Nope.
Keep going.
Double action.
Got one just above that bullseye, about maybe an inch. Drop the mag, put another one in. Yep, thumb that down and she'll be hot, ready to go, so. You're out.
Cool, man.